This is preparing for a drone fishing contest. Master fisherman Tony White. Pull your head up a bit, Tony. Can you show? Oh, that's good. Yes.
See me out?
And we're getting this film, trying to make a film. Now he's just getting the board out, ready to bait up. And here's his winch mounted on the back of his truck.
Was he up at 7?
And we've got another drone here today, further down the beach. Colin Pert's drone. Now we have the master fisherman has come over and the pilot of the drone, and he is giving instructions now. Are you going to be the pilot of the drone, Colin? He's not talking. Talk to the camera, please, Colin.
He might do it himself today.
Oh, this could be dangerous. I think you're going to get caught here because the tide's coming in and it'll be up over these wheels before you get the planes in the air.
Oh, that's alright.
But if the plane takes off from here and it's dry, by the time it gets back it's wet, you might drop it in the tide. Too hard to answer. Low water was 2 hours ago, so I would say the tide's got a half a metre to rise, and these boys could be in a wee bit of shit.
Hey, come here.
Baited line.
Now, we'll turn the nuclear reactor on. Yep. By joining these two together.
That's it, yep. Does it make smoke?
Chaff fusion.
Does it make smoke?
I hope so.
Hope not.
If it does,
Right,
we'll
there
have
we
a
go.
tote. Have you not used this one before?
Yeah.
This drone, Colin's drone, was put out about 25 minutes ago. It's out 435 metres. And it looks like the tide is setting north, because it's going out like that, which is about right.
Now we're waiting for the lights up. It's got the green there, it's got the green. That's got the solid green. Right? That's your green. Now what you do, bring it up to a set height. When you're happy with the height, you push touch the floor, and you don't touch the height again. Right?
I think you need to get some Motortech sign writing on their chain.
Are you ready with that? Yeah. Just wait and see in case it comes this way. Right. But when it starts running out, you've got to go for it. Well, this is the first time it's learned into position here. It's not flashing. It is. Now you're ready? Now you're ready.
Right, ready to take.
Two sticks into the bottom. Bring it to the top. Go up you go. Up you go. Push the other one forward. Go. Dive! Oh.
Plane crash, plane crash.
Yeah, that's it. Keep going. How far out are we?
435 you are.
Hey? 70. Okay. How far do you want to go out?
250.
He wants to go out 250.
Colin's out 400.
I can't hear.
Okay.
Right, if I can switch up. No, if I can switch up. That's it. That would have dropped. Now, do you want to come on its own, or do you want to swing it? Well, just bring it back. Don't touch the height. Just bring the lever right back. Go on, bring it back. Right. Right. Yeah. And then when you're confused, just let go of everything and it'll stop.
Fuck, it goes fast.
Not allowed to swear, you're on TV. Alright, slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Alright. Now, what are you doing? Alright, go to the left. Go to the left. Go to the left. Go to the right. Go to the left. Oh, left. Sorry, left.
He lifts the other way.
Yeah. Yeah, and that's your fact. Go right over that way, Tony, because we don't want to try and land you in here. So go over that way, walk around the other back behind her. Straighten up, you're going through, right? Now, bring it down to the left-hand side. Bring it down to the left-hand side. It's like driving a car, you've got double control of it, right? You've got to bring that lever down.
Watch out for the whale.
And go up a bit if it's coming down too fast, push the stick back up again. Right, hang on, I'll give you the bit. There you are. Now you pull that one you've got to pull back to you. If in doubt, give it to me. Well, that this one comes through. Right? Not too fast. Bring it back, just bring it back nibbles at a time. Just nibbles at a time. Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Right, stop about there. I think I'll be good enough. Now slowly, use your up and down. Bring it down slowly, not too fast. If it's coming down too fast, go back up again. You'll feel, okay, you've got control, it's coming down. It's coming down. Right? So,
Whale in the background.
that's alright, just cruise it. Only a little bit at a time, little bit at a time, little bit at a time, keep coming down, little bit at a time, little bit at a time. So, right, keep coming to your land.
Beautiful.
Right down the bottom now, it's stop. Right?
Oh, shake it, shake. That's the way. Come here, come here. Oh, your fly's open still. This is a trial operation to see if if the magnetic release works on the long line. An essential part of this drone fishing, because if you're not, don't drop the line in the right place, there might be no fish.
Oh, because your sister's in it.
This is going to be a hoot.
Geez, those ones at the back are quite close to the GPS, aren't they? You've got to wait for it just green flashing. You've got to take it inland and circle it.
What a hoot.
See how good you are at
Well, you're supposed to be down there to let them know. Barry's supposed to be down there. No, you're not down there yet, are you?
yeah, you're pretty close. Probably far, you're probably...
Yeah, I think I'm too far.
Yeah, you're far, you're well past, buddy.
And after half an hour out at sea, they've made the decision to pull the line in, and if they catch 2 or 3 fish, it'll reduce the average cost of a fillet below $1,000. So all fingers are crossed. Unfortunately, the results are not very good. They're dismal. However, one gentleman's enjoying himself as usual. He's come down for the afternoon, having afternoon tea now.
It's lovely sail over to Captain Brown.
Good.